Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact Trade Republic. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and here on the search bar simply type in Trade Republic. And once you enter, here select the first link that is shown to you. And once you're here, all you gotta do now is just scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says support under customers. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be sent to this Trade Republic support page. Now once you're here, all you gotta do is scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says contact us. Simply click on it, and now here select your reason for contacting the Trade Republic. Let's say you are facing a login problem, and now select the option provided to you. And now let's assume you selected forget pin, and now here you'll be seeing this kind of interface. All you gotta do is enter in your name and your email address that is connected to your Trade Republic account, and here in the text box simply briefly explain about what the problem you are facing. If you can, then attach the screenshots of the file simply by clicking on this plus icon. And once you're done with all the process, click on send, and after 3 to 4 business days the Trade Republic will reach out to you and solve your issue. And that's basically how you can contact Trade Republic. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.